Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. That's why you cannot eat on the go. We have repeatedly heard that food is the most important factor that affects our lives. We will not deny this. Indeed, you need to eat right, do not overeat with sweets and fatty foods. But this is not all. It turns out that the quality of our lives is affected not only by what we eat, but also by the way we eat it. The rhythm of modern life makes us do many things on the go. More and more often on the street you can meet people rushing to work with a sandwich and coffee. We used to do everything very quickly wake up, run to the shower, have breakfast, have dinner, have supper. And this has a very negative effect on the state of our body. Even in early childhood, parents tell us that there is a need to slowly, thoroughly chew food. Often, children ignore such statements, trying to quickly enjoy the next delicacy, which their relatives prepared with love. The fact is that many parents themselves do not realize the importance of such instructions. Why it is important to thoroughly chew food. It turns out that the key moment in the process of digestion is precisely chewing. When you chew for a while, a signal comes to your stomach that food will soon fall into it. The stomach is getting ready for digestion. If the food gets into it in large pieces, the stomach works on wear and tear. If you thoroughly chew the food, the enzymes contained in the saliva begin to destroy it. Enzymes break down carbohydrates and starch into simple sugars. And then the stomach does not have to overexert itself and perform both functions simultaneously. The less a piece gets into the stomach, the less unnecessary gases we consume at the same time. And this protects us from an unpleasant swelling. Chew food should be 30-40 times. At first it will be unusual, you have to control yourself and force. But then the habit is automated. Food will no longer be a heavy stone for your body, but will become vital fuel for life. If you carefully chew food, immediately stop overeating and recovering. The body takes 20 minutes to realize that it is full. In 20 minutes you can eat an optimum portion for yourself, after which you will not want any more. Scientists have proved that the correct use of food prolongs life, on average, by 10 years. Take care of your health. Remember this simple rule, and your body will be immensely grateful to you. Share this useful article with your friends. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.